I'm Ru&Chai, welcome back to our channel. We have come up with another painting tutorial this time. It's a peacock. It's one of my favorite birds. I love the color combination. I love how vibrant they are. I totally enjoyed painting it. I hope you would too. So let's get started. I'm starting with a sketch. I'm using normal HB pencil for sketching. Now that the sketch is complete, let's start with the painting. For the painting, I am taking following colors on my palette: manganese blue hue, mauve, cobalt teal, ochre yellow, titanium white, permanent green deep, and cadmium green pale. While painting feathers, we have to see to it that the strokes are in the direction of feathers. Also, in order to give a feel that there are a lot of feathers, we are going to give these strokes with lot of colors. I started off with ochre and white, and slowly I'm gonna add some green in it. For the darker shade, I'm mixing up blue and green. I'm following the same process for the rest of the feathers. For the moss green feathers, I'm using deep green and ochre yellow. Now let's add some light colored feathers, for which I'm using ochre yellow and titanium white. To paint its saddle, I'm using deep green and cadmium green. Just make sure that these colors stay separate and you don't mix them together. There is a dark color towards the end of these feathers, which we are going to paint with mauve color, which is purple color. Make sure you're using the smallest possible brush here. Since it looks quite plain, I'm adding some highlights to it. Don't give these highlights to all the feathers, just choose them randomly. I'm using cadmium green here, some teal and ochre yellow. Now that the saddle part is over, let's start with the body. Here manganese blue will be the main color. For shadowy parts, I'm using mauve. And I'm giving highlights with cobalt teal. I started painting the eye part almost immediately, only to find out that the color is mixing with blue color. Same happened with beak. So I thought, let's just stop here, let the color underneath dry. In the meanwhile, I started painting feathers. Now this is the most beautiful part. The outermost color for this eye-shaped feather is cadmium green, then ochre, then cobalt teal and blue. This is how it should look like. I started by painting the outermost layer for all the feathers, which is cadmium green, then teal, then ochre yellow, and finally blue. You must have observed that some bright green was missing in this, so I started giving some bright green around the eye-shaped feathers. Coming back to the eye part, I'm using white and ochre yellow in this. You must have observed these two strips along the eye of the peacock. It makes it look so elegant. I'm using black to paint the eye and a tiny little dot of titanium white. In order to make it look more vibrant, I'm adding some white in ochre and I'm repainting that part. Not just the ochre yellow part, I'm also adding more cadmium green feathers. This blue part of the feathers wasn't looking that bold and big, so I repainted it with teal and blue. You can skip this step if you have already made it bigger. And lastly, to make it even more vibrant, I'm adding some cadmium green feathers. Hey, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, you know what to do next, right? Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and do let us know in the comments below how you found the video. We would love to hear from you. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.